Welcome back, and today we're off to the Kingdom of Winter at Excel London. Just a short ride on a DLR from central London, you can reach there in about 20 minutes. After a short walk from Custom House Station, you'll be greeted at the entrance of the Kingdom of Winter. Once you've gone through the entrance, you'll be greeted with the festive food stores, where you find things like mild wine, roasted chestnuts, mince pies, and lots of other treats. Lace up your skates and hit the ice at the Kingdom of Winter's ice skating rink. Spoil and guide under the twinkling lights as the festive music fills the air. The funfair rides at the Kingdom of Winter are not to be missed. From classic bumper cars to thrilling roller coasters, there's something for all ages. The little ones will love running around and enjoying the spinning teacups and also enjoying the soft play areas. The Kingdom of Winter also offers live performances by talented musicians and entertainers, so sit back, relax, and let the festive spirit wash over you. And of course, no trip to the Kingdom of Winter is complete without a visit to a magnificent Christmas tree, standing tall at the centre of the kingdom. It is a sight to behold and a perfect backdrop for your family photos. We enjoyed our day trip here and hope you join us in our next video.